I have a relationship with Guardian that goes back to 2013, but we've been here almost 3 years, and now it's time for the roof to be cleaned up and sealed, and we needed the gutters cleaned out also. One of their people came out and got up on the roof and also went up inside the attic. What we found was that there's no water intrusion. They removed the bottom course of tiles in a couple of places and found that the tiles were allowing water to get through to the underlayment, which I guess happens, but the water was ponding at the bottom of the roof. We got to the point of the representative giving us a presentation, and he showed us what he found. We selected the inclusive one, and we're scheduling the work right now. We haven't gotten that job completed, but everything we've had so far has been completely satisfactory. Actually, when I need something to do with the roof, I'm calling Guardian, and they just do good. The other thing that happened while he was in the attic was he determined that we in fact have some mouse type visitors, which are apparently new because we had some work done in our backyard that disturbed a bunch of critters. Pest Control Division came out and took a look. Got an estimate there. The bottom line is that we've been satisfied Guardian customers for several years at 2 different houses, and we've been happy with the service provided.